Hey, what's up guys, Fahzman here. Today I'm going to review the Hivemapper Dashcam. The Hivemapper Dashcam is the world's first crypto miner dashcam. So have you ever thought about earning rewards for all the driving you do? Maybe you are someone who spends a lot of time on the road. Well, what if I told you there is a way to turn your daily drives into rewards? Yes, it's the Dashcam that earns crypto, and it aims to compete with Google Maps. To mine Honey is Hivemapper's cryptocurrency. You just need to simply install the Hivemapper Dashcam in your car and drive. That's all you need to grow a decentralized map of the world. As you know, billions of people around the world depends on maps each day. Maps are an essential part of the world's technology infrastructure and represent a $300 billion market. Today, global maps are largely controlled by a few companies because they are extremely expensive to build. This has led to numerous problems with today's maps. The cost of mapping APIs continues to increase due to the lack of competition. These maps are not as fresh as they should be due to the incredible expense required to build and maintain them. Blockchain and crypto incentives solves these problems by dramatically reducing the cost to map on a global scale while rewarding contributions to the map and promoting freshness and uncensored quality. High quality 4K dashcams are widely available for only hundreds of dollars and can be connected to software for efficient collection of 4K street level imagery. The Hivemapper network is the system that incentives map coverage, freshness, and quality with ownership. By installing a simple 4K dashcam on a car or truck, a contributor can earn a new cryptocurrency on part of the decentralized global map and support the world's critical geospatial infrastructure in a cost-effective way. So Honey is the Hivemapper cryptocurrency of the decentralized mapping network. The Hivemapper network is built on top of the Solana blockchain. Map contributors mine Honey by contributing to the Hivemapper network. A fixed number of Honey tokens are minted decreasingly over time. The maximum number of Honey tokens that will ever exist is 10 billion. In addition to mining Honey, you will grow and build ownership in an independent and new kind of global map that business and developers use to run their apps and operations. The dashcam never needs or wants to see your face, and your location information is encrypted end-to-end. There are no hidden backdoors collecting data that you don't know about. Instead, you will always know what data the Hivemapper dashcam is collecting. After a 20-minute initial install, you can then forget about the Hivemapper dashcam as it will be mapping in the background and uploading imagery after collecting. With the Hivemapper dashcam, you are growing a constantly growing, ever-updating map of our world, built by the people who know it best. Hivemapper network is launching in November at Solana Breakpoint in Lisbon, Portugal. So everything you need to map and mine crypto is in one box. They will ship all accessories to you, so no need to worry about buying anything extra. So pre-order the dashcam and begin mining Honey crypto. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.